Hi guys, this is Lena Wolfmore. Me and Dad are just about to leave in this flood. This is the worst.
Or I can hook you up right here.
We are about to get ready to leave, and it could get worse after we leave. Oh my god. Oh, this is tired. I'm tired because I woke up very, very early this morning. Ready, Dad? I'm taking a video. Let's go. Look at this flood. I'm glad we're not in it. Let's go. Okay. Okay.
Oh shoot. I've got something.
Okay.
Be right back.
Look at this flood. Don't walk into the flood. Oh, I'm just making sure he's safe. Oh, the light's off. Good thing we're not in the flood right now. Who cares about my battery? It's coming up on my video. Ugh. I should give some info to everyone. If you were in a flood, how would you feel like? Would you be happy, excited, afraid, or scared? I'll give you the info right on the comments. Tell me on the comments, do you like floods or do you not like floods? If you're a meteorologist, you could say I like floods. So, I'll see you later, guys. I'll see you later, guys. It's been a short video, but yeah. Oh, one car's leaving. Hello. Let's look out. Let's make a lookout. I see some workers building a sound transit. There's Dad. Okay. All right. Let's go. Goodbye, flood. That's the end of the video. Goodbye.